Hello everyone, welcome back to solve this nice square root radical equation, which is square root of a multiplying by square root of a multiplying by square root of a. This is equal to 128. So what is the value of a? Now solution is that now the square root of a multiplying by square root of a multiplying by square root of a, this is equal to 128. Okay, so the first thing to do here, we square both sides to eliminate the first square root sign. Okay, so that now we'll have a multiplying by square root of a multiplying by square root of a. This is equal to 128 raised to power 2. Okay, this follows that if you have a to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as basically a to power n multiplied by m. So applying this property, we'll have a square root of a multiplied by square root of a. This is equal to 128 squared. So the next phase, we square again both sides, so that now we'll have a to power 2, okay, multiplying by a, multiplying by square root of a. This is equal to 128 raised to power 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Okay, so now from here we have a squared times a. This is a raised to power 1. Okay, so that is a to power n multiplying by a to power m. This is the same thing as a to power n plus m. Now applying this exponent power rule property, we'll have a to power 3 multiplying by square root of a. This is equal to 128 raised to power 4. So the next phase again is to square both sides, okay? So that now we'll have a to power 6 multiplying by a, we eliminate the square root sign, so this is a. This is equal to 128 raised to power 4 times 2, which is basically 8. Now here, applying this power rule exponent property, we'll have a to power 7. This is 6 plus 1, which is 7. This is equal to 128 raised to power 8. Now we can express 128 as basically 2 to power 7. Okay, so substituting this, we'll have 8 to power 7. This is equal to 2 to power 7 multiplying by 8. So basically here we'll have, if you have 8 to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as 8 to power m raised to power n. Okay, so applying this property, we'll have 8 to power 7. This is equal to 2 to power 8 raised to power 7. So we multiply both sides by 1 over 7. Okay, by 1 over 7. So that now, if you simplify here, a is equal to, basically a is equal to 2 to power 8. Okay, so we have 2 to power 8. And again 2 to power 8. This is basically 2 to power 7 multiplying by 2. And 2 to power 7 is 128. So this is 128 times 2, which is 256. So a is equal to 256. This is the value of a. A is equal to 256. So let's verify that this value of a actually satisfies the equation as follows. Let's verify that square root of a multiplying by square root of a multiplying by square root of a will give us a value of 128. Okay, so now eliminating this square root sign, we can express a as a to power half. Okay, so we are saying that if you have square root of a, this is the same thing as a to power half. Okay, so let's express in this form. So we'll have a to power half, okay, multiplying by a to power, this is half, multiplying by half, multiplying by a to power half, multiplying by half, multiplying by half. So this is equal to 128. So this is a to power half, multiplying by a to power 1 over 4, multiplying by a to power 1 over 8. This should give us a value of 128. So let's get the LCM quickly. We have the LCM of 2, 4, 8. This is 8. So it's 8 divided by 2, which is basically 4. plus 8 divided by 4, this is 2. 2 times 1, this is 2, plus 8 divided by 8, 1 times 1, this is 1. So basically here, we'll have a to power 4 plus 2 plus 1, this is 7, divided by 8, this is equal to 128. Okay? Now, we see that the value of a is equal to 256. This is the value of a, which we can also express as 2 to power 8. Okay? So let's substitute this. We'll have 2 to power 8 raised to power 7 over 8. This is equal to 128. Okay? So 128, we think that 128, this is the same thing as 2 to the power 7. Okay? So let's substitute this. This is 2 to power 7. Now in this case, as you can see here, we are saying that 128 is the same thing as 2 to power 7. So this is 2 to power 7. Now here we can simplify here. So that 2 to power 7, this is equal to 2 to power 7. Okay? And 2 to power 7, this is 128, which is equal to 128. And that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that proves that the value of a, which is basically 256, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe, my good people. Please subscribe, please.